Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create super cute and simple hoodie hack and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this hoodie, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this shirt area, and then I'm going to wear this one. Okay, and then I'm going to change the ribbon color, which is 3 selection. Okay, you can color the ribbon with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the top area right here, and then we're going to wear this one and color it with this pink color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then wear this butterfly top. Okay, then you're going to make it matte. All right, and then we're going to wear this lace top, and then you can color it with this pink color for all the selection. Okay, now it's done, and then we're going to go to this area and wear the sleeves and color it with this pink color. Okay, I'm just going to make them pink. Alright, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that this is so cute. But wait, let me change the butterfly top color. Is going to make it pink like the hoodie. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create the super cute and simple hoodie hack in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.